Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today Google released the stable version of Android 17, which I already covered in my other video, but this one is dedicated for June 2026 pixel drop features. So let's deep dive into it to show you what's new. The first change in this update is the new reactions feature in the screen recorder, which is something I already showed you in the QPR1 betas, and Google decided to include it in the stable version of Android 17. Once you open the screen recorder, you will see a new toggle called Show Selfie Camera. When you turn on the switch, you'll notice that the screen becomes slightly brighter to give you more light, plus the microphone turns on automatically. Then you can see me here in the frame without any background. It automatically removes the background. Plus you have the ability to apply a custom background color. You have multiple options to choose from, and you can tap on the color again to remove it. When you start the recording, you still have the ability to reposition yourself anywhere on the screen. Plus you can also change the background color halfway through if you want. In Gemini, we got two new changes that require AI subscription, 18+ age, and I covered those two features in my Google Apps Updates series before, but let's go through them really quick. The first one is the ability to use Gemini Omni to create high-quality videos using a blend of text, images, and videos. You can consider this feature as Nano Banana for video creation, and here's a quick example. Here I attached multiple photos of the same car from different angles and a photo of the desert. I'm asking Gemini to create a video of this car driving in the same desert shown in the last photo. So let's tap on send to see what's gonna happen. And here you go, after a couple of minutes it created this 10 seconds video, which I already downloaded to my phone's gallery to show you how it looks in full screen view. And that's exactly how you can use the new Gemini Omni to create videos. The second one is the ability to generate music by describing an idea or upload a photo, and Gemini will create a high-quality audio track with lyrics. In this example, I'm asking Gemini to create a hip-hop song asking my friend to stop eating my cookies, and I attached a photo of my friend, so let's see what's gonna happen. Now the track is created, so let's take a listen.
Stop it, man. Late night creeping on the curved deck. Check the blue light glowing on the architect. You ain't gotta raid my stash, that's a new low. Watching red beams spindling out the window. This ain't how we live, nah, this a betrayal. Every single bite you took is detail. I'm on my grind, gotta stack that dough high. You just living lavish off my chips, ahoy. Friend, I'm begging you, please just stop eating my cookies. Yeah! Stop eating my cookies. You gotta stop eating my cookies.
As you heard, it was a really cool track. Change number 4 is in Google Photos. The Edit with Ask Photos feature is now available for 5 more countries: Germany, UK, Spain, Italy, and France. Next, the Voice Translate feature expands to the Pixel 10a after being exclusive to the Pixel 10 or higher. In a nutshell, this feature translates what each caller says in their own voice, so phone conversations in different languages feel more authentic. Before jumping to the next feature, if you like the wallpapers you see in my videos, go ahead and download the Wallpapers by In-Depth Tech Reviews app that will give you access to hundreds of exclusive wallpapers that will make your smartphone look stunning. Plus, you have the ability to edit any of these wallpapers or download them locally on the device. Here you have 4 different sliders to help you make it your own. You can edit each one separately or match both using this button. If you want to give it a try, you will find the Google Play Store link in the description. And now let's get back to the video. The next change is Magic Queue now supports more messaging apps, but Google didn't share the list of new apps in the blog post. And even when I go to settings and then Magic Queue and then go to the apps list, they look exactly the same as before. So let's wait and see what's gonna happen in the future. In the Safety app, the loss of pulse, car crash, and the fall detection now integrated with emergency sharing. The description says automatically notify your emergency contacts when a hard fall, loss of pulse, or severe car crash is detected on your Pixel phone or watch. Unfortunately, when I open the Safety app on my Pixel 10 and then go to the settings, I still didn't get any of these features yet. Moving to Quick Share, we got 2 more devices that can share files with iOS, iPadOS, or macOS, which are the Pixel 9a and 8a, but unfortunately the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro are not included. Plus, the call screen feature that helps you screen calls from unknown numbers is now live in India, and the description says avoid unwanted calls by letting call screen answer unknown numbers for you. You will see who's calling and why, so you can decide to pick up or not. Last but not least, the Take a Message feature expands to more markets and adds custom greetings. That description says now launching in several new countries across Europe, Asia, and North America. And if you're not familiar with this feature, it simply captures incoming messages, and in specific regions, it offers real-time transcriptions so you can follow along. Plus, for a more personalized touch, users in eligible markets can record unique custom greetings for their callers. And if you want to check the full list of supported countries, you can go to point number 9 under the disclaimers section. And when you open the link, you will see the feature availability, including the transcriptions. And here are the list of countries without transcription. So that's pretty much it for today. These are all the new features in June 26 Pixel drop. Please let me know in the comments if I missed anything. But for now, thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video.